Managing a server with a dynamic IP address can be tricky, especially when hosting websites or enabling remote access. A changing IP can disrupt connectivity. But there's a solution: Dynamic DNS or DDNS. In this guide, we'll show you how to seamlessly manage dynamic IPs using the DreamPirates DDNS Client for Cloudflare. Dynamic DNS allows a domain name to remain accessible even when your server's public IP address changes. Every time your IP changes, the DNS records are automatically updated to reflect the new address, ensuring your server is always accessible. Cloudflare is an excellent choice for DNS management due to its security, speed, and free DNS services. By combining Cloudflare with the DreamPirates DDNS Client, you can automatically update your DNS records whenever your dynamic IP changes, keeping your services uninterrupted.
First, create a Cloudflare account at cloudflare.com.
Add your domain and change your name servers to Cloudflare's, as instructed by your domain registrar. Once Cloudflare detects the change, your domain is ready for management. Next, you'll need an API token to update DNS records. In your Cloudflare dashboard, go to My Profile, and under API Tokens, click Create Token. Use the Edit Zone DNS template or create a custom token with limited permissions. Copy the API token for the next step. To configure the DDNS client, you need your Zone ID and DNS Resource ID. Both can be found in your Cloudflare DNS settings. The Zone ID is unique to your domain, and the DNS Resource ID corresponds to the DNS record you want to update. Now, download and install the DreamPirates DDNS client. During configuration, you'll need to input the following. First, CF token, your Cloudflare API token. Second, Zone ID, from your Cloudflare domain settings. Third, DNS Resource ID, the DNS record you want to update, such as an A record for IPv4. Fourth, DNS record type, whether it's an A or Quad A record. Fifth, DNS record name, your domain or subdomain, example myserver.example.com. Sixth, DNS TTL, time to live value, usually set to 120 seconds. Seventh, DNS proxy, enable or disable Cloudflare's proxy. Last, update interval, set how often the client should check for IP changes. Once configured, run the DreamPirates DDNS client. It will automatically update your DNS record whenever your IP changes. You can also set it to run at startup to ensure it operates continuously. To verify the setup, change your public IP, maybe by disconnecting and reconnecting to your ISP or using a VPN. Then, check Cloudflare to ensure your DNS record was updated with a new IP. You can also use tools like Ping or NSLookup to confirm your domain resolves to the correct IP. Using DreamPirates DDNS Client for Cloudflare provides key benefits. Seamless updates. Your DNS records automatically adjust when your IP changes. Customization. You control settings like TTL, proxy status, and update intervals. Simple setup. The DreamPirates client only requires a Cloudflare API token, Zone ID, and DNS record details. Managing a server with a dynamic IP doesn't have to be complicated. With the DreamPirates DDNS client for Cloudflare, you can automate DNS updates and ensure uninterrupted access to your services. Download DreamPirates DDNS client today. Links in the description.